Engineering works will be taking place between Friday the 3rd and Monday the 6th of April.
377114.
On Sunday the 5th of April, no southern trains will run between Colgate and Hastings. Saturday and Monday, replacement buses will be in place between Colgate
377475. And I'll get rid of it leaving.
Posters.
124477 to Portsmouth and Bognor Regis. Okay, 3774 is on the rear. $700 108. You saw that one earlier? Yeah, that was something. Can't reach, got my phone plugged in. It's still connected to yours.
You can both be connected to me, that's fine. Both be connected to me. What's your idea?
Stop, just tends to still too bright and thinking we should sleep.
Platform 3 from the 12:53 Thameslink service to Auckland. Crawley, I
Off, hang on. I've got a phone charger plugged in.
Take some more phone lead out your pocket then, that's fine.
7152.
About 5 days to transmit the message. I was just saying. That's not me.
Can you get Polygallery, please?
I'll have to find something to push it in so you can watch them or something.
Honey, can you do it for me?
Ask them up before.
Can you look at your phone numbers? If you look at your phone numbers, what numbers are for it? Try and come in. He's one to enjoy it. Look at numbers on phone. Get your phone and Wi-Fi.
Should be able to see it.
Yeah, we'll sit from here.
The train now approaching platform 4 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 4.
There he is. Where is it? Oh, there we go. 462 this time! 462, my friend 462. That's 462, 462.
Yep, 462.
No, 377135.
462. 462.
Yeah, we were about 10 months ago.
Where is that?
Yes, 10 months ago.
There you go then.
We seen 377402 on 1344.
4 minutes late.
No,
Oh, sorry.
No.
Here? Oh, it's here. Someone took a trophy brought back to.
Holgate, Eastbourne, Hastings and
To go to numbers of real-time trains, what numbers do the Hampton? Is a minute. That's our. The Hampton is a minute late. Oh. 4:55. 408. 117. 377, 408 and 117. Little Hampton. From Midland to Victoria. By Hove.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 4.
We're at Freebridge Station in West Sussex. We're in the passenger lounge. So we're doing train spotting here before 30:44 again. We got 47 minutes. Yeah. What is what is it, Mum? Do we do real-time trains? Oh, it's 4 minutes late. But 227, 214, and 216.
Got one. Well done.
Oh, so where has not a Santa train?
No, not the sound straight.
Victoria. 372 and 435. That's another reserve in Portsmouth and Bognor Regis. Yeah. That's 4 minutes early. Can you give me what time this is leaving?
I've got no idea, I can't be asked to look on
What time is leaving for this Victoria one?
I can go to sleep in here.
No, you don't. What time is leaving? The time is this Victoria leaving? Do it a little more time is leaving your phone.
Oh, I don't know.
13:05. No, Horse, no, it's 3 bridges. No, it's 3 bridges. Back from 5.
5, careful the door.
Careful. 377-202. 434 about 3 spawn. Because in this mini system, you're now only need some few 387s. Josh.
She's there. You're talking to Josh, not me.
Josh, got 41 minutes, okay? 41 minutes. 700, 139, from Brighton to Bedford.
Do you want the app that he's using? Yeah. You can see what he's doing.
You can see in there.
There you go, now you've got to find the train at 1 o'clock. See, there you go, that's the one behind you at the platform. It says it's at the platform. That's the one
3
behind
minutes late.
you. There you go.
Oh yes, 387-117 and 387-205. Bound from Brighton for London, Victoria. The front is G8, LS37, that's Victoria. There you go, 377-422 and 435 from London, Victoria, from Portsmouth and Bognor Regis. So calling port will be Gatwick. I hope we mind 377-462 to go to Santa train until December. Hopefully we're going to get on it.
So if you match up the time, Josh, with our time, like this clock, you can see what's coming along. Do you help Josh use it, Ben? So
Oh, that's Blackfriars. 3 bridges, that is.
But Ben, let me feel bad. You help Josh how to work around the app so he knows what he's doing. Help him out a bit. Show him what you're seeing.
3 bridges.
So he can get it too.
Look at my timetable too.
Yes, show Josh and help.
Oh, he's leaving now? 13 foot. Hold you to. Oh! Is your ticket someone's ticket? Is it your ticket, Mum?
Filming it or not? Are you just filming it?
Is it your ticket? Platform 4.
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 4.
Platform 4 again.
Don't really do
8:38 minutes goes our train. Okay.
Brighton, Bedford, 20.
No, that's on time. That's late. Is that an announcement?
Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 4.
Platform 4. Oh, platform 4, platform 4, platform 4. It's C2C/GN. C2C-GN.
We can see it. Almost so much.
700-1212 Brighton from Bedford to Brighton from Bedford, 2 minutes early.
Oh no, I've got perfect.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, 37303. 37303 and 37221. 37303 again. On a GX service to Victoria from Brighton. Again.
Acceptance and on the engineering works, please visit our website or see station.
Train leaving now. We'll go get Rabina after. Both Cambridge is coming in. Next train is Cambridge. What we call this Cambridge one? Do we check yours? That GX is 3 minutes late. And up it goes to Brighton for Bedford. It's 700-121. This be Bedford to Brighton service. So the next train is Cambridge. You didn't see Teams in your phone instead. Can you see it on Monday? Can you see Teams on Monday? Oh, let's have a again. 700-120. It's from Bedford.
Service to Cambridge via Wonderspring, Cornet, Gatwick Evening, Hitchin, Letchworth, Garden City, Baldock, Ashland and Northern.
1067 to Cambridge, class 700. Hello? 700-107. Yeah, 700-107 to Cambridge from Brighton. Hey.
What?
33 minutes to catch our train. Okay, Josh got 33 minutes to catch our train. I think Greg has another Rabino again.
What?
I want to go get Rabino again.
I can't find out what's going on.
13:10, 767 to Cambridge. It's times minutes, 2 minutes late, 2 minutes late. Let's go on board, we Gatwick. Did Pod 76, is there anyone from 5 doing Pride delivery? Is that holding down silence? Yeah. 30-20, oh, 30-20 is from Cambridge to Brighton. 700-104. Yes. Oh. That sounds like they've got your bag. It's just a spag run. Yes.
Unless you want to go, Josh. Ben, do you want to go?
No.
Oh,
you didn't check the batteries yet.
No, you have them back of mine, alright? Just have couple fingers. Right, wait here for you. I'll see you there.
700-128. Thank you. Oh, I'm getting that. I'm getting 13 more. Next one. That one. So I just filming trains. 30-23, 767 to Horsham. 700-128. Hold back the big Thorny. We used to go to Crawley next. That we used to have to lift there. Huh? No. No. Go to numbers at 3 Eastbourne 1.
211.
372 387 11 218. What's on platform 5? Sit on platform 5 Little Hampton.
Well clear of the edge of platform 4.
Come on, can you please go to your route? Give these numbers. There you go, 372 218, Bradford London Road from Eastbourne. Can you go to Little Hampton?
That one. 451.
454 and 374 154.
Bring
Yeah, I'm gonna look up that. Well, I checked the information board for platform 5 is not stop.
half my tea.
No, oh.
What? You're going to sort me? Put your shoelace shirt on the ground. I've got some shorter shoelaces. I'm going to put them
I
on.
always get my.
They're black ones, not red ones. They're black shoelaces.
Like Josh's.
Not quite like Josh's, but I'll get some like Josh's.
Yeah.
Aren't these shoes? So these shoes.
Not about having loads of shoes, but
Oh, how was his calling wasn't running?
we haven't been that way today.
No, it wasn't running when there wasn't running. Oh. Oh, first 26 is leaving now. To Bedford, it's still 100, 120. Oh. What? Oh, yes, Tristan Watson, he's going to Eastbourne.
32 on platform 5. It's the green one. You see it on
It's a
the
GX in the rear. Yeah, it's a GX, and 2 on there. We had a wheel on 7.3 yet?
Oh, really?
No, we're not. We'll get on Monday.
Have we done the 172?
No.
174?
Yeah. 12th of December. On Monday, we. There he is. 377 451 and 154.
I can't see my friend this one, so I can change those quality.
You can go to see your friend on Thursday.
So I'll go and see my friend on the 15th.
And when we're back,
I saw it yesterday, so I haven't seen it at all.
when we're back, you can go to see a friend.
And then I'll go back on the 7th.
I think you're hiking that day, I don't have to see anything either. I think that was the day that you were doing something wrong.
Yeah.
I think those 2 days, oh no, he jumps up there.
31 Thames
Yeah,
Link
so
service
run
to
the days,
Bedford
let's repeat.
via London,
Thursday, 31 10 goes to Bedford from Brighton, plus 700.
London
Yeah.
Bridge,
Then I'm off to London. Then he's got his jump. It's not right, Friday, so he's pick another day, so we do Wednesday.
Okay.
That makes it easier for me.
St Albans City, Barbican, Luton Airport Parkway,
Yeah.
Benton, Lee Gray,
I try and look like mate on Thursday.
Essex and Bedford. This train is full of 12
Instead.
coaches.
Except that next is James will be off on a Wednesday.
Yeah.
So she's really-
He's 700 125. Difference in 125 will really be on it. Well, with 1 month ago.
So James got to go there and then
He's got 2 revision days.
Are we going out on Monday to Polegate? It's a Polegate. What's happened Monday at Polegate?
If I could go and see my mate, but I can't answer it.
What's happened Monday at Polegate?
I don't know what's happened at Colgate. I'm
George-
going to get you chocolate fingers. It's a very long way to go and get chocolate fingers.
And the food as well.
Even on a Wednesday, if I see my mate, I'm back at like 12 o'clock, I'm back to lunch.
yeah.
But he then won't go out in the afternoon. So it's like a whole day or not at all, so that's why I can't even do it at 5.
Oh, 377 163 again.
Even though we're back at 2 o'clock, it's like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I still can't.
Oh, 12 coach again. Oh, 377 418 again. Did we saw that earlier?
Yeah.
Do you want to check the real number of your time trains? 157 is in the rear.
Didn't go all the way to the
3, there it is.
157 is in the rear.
157.
Yeah. Hang on, 387 174 to Hampton to Brighton.
So that's coming past that way in a minute. You seen it yet or not?
Yeah. Did Fraser want some free stripes you rubbed out? Huh? Fraser wants some free stripes you rubbed out on GN in 2024. Fury, Fraser wants some 3, then Fraser 219, Eastbourne. Oh, it's got graffiti. Oh. Can you go to real-time trains? What you put up on 4 northbound?
222, 223, 207.
223 and 207. We haven't ridden on 223 yet. Bronze Victoria 12 coach. And platform 5 is. Do you check platform 5 of 1334?
1344, 1334, platform 5.
Yeah.
202, 204, 217.
202, 204 and 217. We've been on 217 about a month ago. We'll be on 202. We've been on Fraser and 202 about 4 weeks ago. Yes, we've been on 202 about 4 weeks ago. 4 weeks ago.
This one told you all the trains.
Oh,
We were reading this one from Gatwick Airport. And that one from there. And that series that tells you which ones you've been on.
202.
You've been on the 27, been on the 30.
Hello, Fraser 202. Yeah, Fraser 202, 223 and 207 to London Return from Brighton. It's only 12 coach. I want to get express for graffiti. Sit there. Be careful, sorry. Yeah, there goes Victoria. No summer trains from Holgate Hastings on Monday.
Be careful if you're on to next one.
Aww.
I'm going to change your shoelaces when we get back. You've got black on your shoes, so black shoelaces probably won't be too bad. I don't know where Ross got them from, but...
Okay, Josh, so the next train is 1 Whiskey 64. Can you go to real time trains 1 Whiskey 64? Oh, yes.
Am I looking at the map for?
1 Whiskey 64 is Victoria Brighton. 12th coach. After 9 minutes.
Oh, there it is. Actually, 202, 204, 217, right.
We'll be on Brighton 202.
Yeah, about 204, 217? Yeah.
Brighton 202 is 3 weeks ago.
387, isn't it?
Yeah.
Number is it? 202.
214, 202, 214, 217.
Yeah. Yeah.
A 202 wheel from Lewis about.
217 from Lewis on the 9th of March.
Oh no, 6th of February.
204.
6th of February.
202 from Gatwick.
217 is.
You've done them twice.
218. 211 from Gatwick Airport. And 212.
Gatwick.
So we've done quite a lot of Gatwick Express. James is apparently really.
There we go, 387 202. 387 204. And 387 217. Bound for Brighton. It's 12 coach. Bound for London. Bound for Brighton from London Victoria.
London Blackfriars.
That arriving 1340, 1067 to Cambridge from Brighton. And the other was from Bedford to Brighton as well. So I from the passenger lounge. 700 119. I got a nice wave. I got a nice wave. I got a plugged in my pocket, so it got plugged in. Okay. It's just cable charging. Cable charging.
What, are you
Cable
charging
charging.
now?
Yeah, cable charging. But 54. I'm about getting 1344.
Oh, you're getting on that 44?
1344.
Okay.
I was left Red Hill about 1 hour ago. I left Red Hill about 1 hour ago. I really left. I just leave from Red Hill about 1 hour. Sorry, it's annoying.
It's okay.
I left Red Hill about 1 hour ago.
Right. Calm down.
Crawley Station has brand new lifts.
It does, but I've sort of been in there a little while.
They're made about 6 years. Oh, I can't.
Right, stay there.
1340, 767 to Cambridge. That's our train, this Left Gatwick Airport. It's just this Left Gatwick Airport. Can you go to a timetable? What numbers are the Brighton one? Ah! Okay, careful. Can you get your phone out of space for me?
What?
Can you get your phone out of space?
Do you want me to make space on my phone?
Yeah, sure. That's Bedford one. Uh, 701 to 1! And it's just again! Oh, yes! And it's, we do these, Croydon?
Yeah.
No, my number 2 times the 7 from Bedford, that'll class up once again. It's the 12 coach again. R12 coach. NHS service, Brighton, your servicing service. Picture the NHS, please. Wait, what's the NHS ready? Hold up. We've been on it back. We've been on it. 7 months ago.
Yeah, not this year, so I can't mark it off, but we have ridden it in the past.
7 months ago.
We have ridden it.
7 months ago. Oh, I started in 3 minutes.
I can't mark it off.
Oh, what? Do you see our train down at this? Mum, hey.
Right, we should go and get off.
377 402.
Right, where's Sunday then?
Here's 700 131. There's a plane just down the distance. Is our train out of distance? So, yeah, 700 131, 711 767 from Bedford. We saw Pride to get up and join the train on the 850.
Where did we see? I didn't see the flight train.
On the 850 between. Oh yeah, between Crawley.
Yeah, we should go to the flight train.
Between Crawley.
All the green trains, you know, the green NHS, the planes have been taken off. So
Wow.
the only
And we've been on it about 7 months ago.
so the only plane train you're going to sit down to.
Alice Croydon. Here's our train, the 1344 to Southern Service reports from the Buccaneers. 12 coast 377s again. Oh, come on. Okay, 377 108 to the rear. 377 108 to the rear. So leading 377 473. What number are we in? 377 402. On the middle set. 377 402. Where's coach 6 door 1? Yeah, 377 402 in the middle. We're haven't on this unit yet. We need coach 5. 5. Keep all down to coach 5. Let passengers off the train first. Thank you very much. Coach 6 door 1. So, no. Let people off the train first. I'm first. Thank you.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour and other reaches. The next station is Horsham. This is coach number 512.
Can I go coach 6? Please? This is 5. I'd be alright. I've been through this 402 hours, 377 hours. We're on it. I'm coach 6.
Yeah, you're going Bognor.
I'm going back to Horsham and then down to East Croydon. And got off 6 stations.
You getting off of Horsham?
Yes, I got off. I was back for East Croydon and we got off 6 stations.
I think Horsham's next.
Horsham, when this attachment taking place. There's a lot of Southeast and diverts on the Brighton Main Line taking place. Well, we're back from East Croydon. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my 147 subscriber special. And we'll see you guys on Monday. See you later. This is my 147 subscribers. See you later. Bye for now. And we're heading back to Horsham to get a lift to Bridgelink, and I will show you guys.
Service will divide. Coaches 1 to 4 will continue to Portsmouth, and coaches 5 to 12 will continue to Buckner Regis. Please ensure you are traveling in the correct part of the service. If you're leaving us here, do well to have your belongings with you before alighting from the service. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Change here for services to Dorking.
Do you see my foot doing? Do you see what's my foot? There we go.
We are now approaching Horsham, where the train will divide. Coaches 1 to 4 will continue to Portsmouth Harbour. Coaches 5 to 12 will continue to Buckner Regis. Please ensure you are travelling in the correct part of the train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is coach number
721 to Peterborough. Josh, Mark, when you coming to when they come to me? You guys just come with me? Sorry, I was from East Croydon. No.
Got a whole 22 minutes to get back. I shall get to watch the boat race. It's got so exciting, doesn't it?
Oh.
Then they race for about 9 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Okay, let's see this comes up first.
No!
No!
No, come on, move.
Fine, wait.
I want to watch the boat race, come on, move.
Which of those goes up first?
No one not getting in the bottom. Come on.
Oh shit, he's coming up again.
Come on, move.
No.